Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
It is rather unfortunate that in this list, the Congress has gone ahead and declared candidates for St Andre and Canacona constituencies, which were seats among those that the Goa Forward Party, that we had laid claim for. Our demands have also been modest and reasonable, and we have demanded for seats only in those constituencies where we have influence and where our candidates have worked on the ground. What is required in an alliance is common programs, mutual respect, and fidelity to our commitments to each other. Whatever commitments have been made by us and by the Congress party, we should stay true to them. Congress has backtracked on one commitment. As I've said, on the St Andre and Canacona seats, they have backtracked on their commitments, but we do not wish to react immediately. But we will watch whatever steps they take, and we will react and take appropriate steps if needed as the days go by.
That is a Goa Forward commitment. ताजेर गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि काँग्रेस पार्टीचे भितर डिस्कशन चालू.
मग युती फुडें वयतली तुमची
आसा अजून पर्यंत. Then discussions are going on. There is nothing.
The only party who is not doing underhand dealings and who is fighting to send BJP home is TMC. 2 महिन्या भितर त्यांनी सगळं दाखवून दिला की dealings open जाता.